Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. Javascript tutorials often cover the concept of selecting a random element from a sequence, such as an array. This technique is useful in various scenarios, including games, quizzes, and applications that require randomization. The process typically involves determining the length of the array and generating a random index that falls within that range. By using the math.random function in combination with the array length, developers can ensure that they retrieve a valid index. Selecting a random element can enhance user experience by introducing unpredictability and variety. Tutorials usually emphasize the importance of understanding how randomization works and its applications in real-world projects. Moreover, learners are encouraged to experiment with different data structures, such as strings and objects, to broaden their understanding of randomness in JavaScript. Overall, mastering this technique is a fundamental skill for any JavaScript developer looking to create dynamic and engaging applications.